Welcome to GK Mojo. So in this DI class, we are going to see a very important data interpretation set which appeared in CAT 2017. It's a very good set. A lot of concepts will be discussed with respect to this set and you'll enjoy solving this set because this is kind of a combination of a Sudoku puzzle and a bar chart. Alright. More often what happens in CAT is the DI sets are also based on some sort of logical reasoning, and similar is this set, and a lot of sets in the following years have followed on the same pattern as well. So let's see what this set is and start solving. So basically this set is called DOM set, right? So at a management school, the oldest 10 DOMs numbered 1 to 10 need to be repaired urgently. The diagram represents the estimated repair of cost in rupees in crores. Alright, the diagram will be on the next slide. I'll show you. For now, let's just go through what has been given. For the 10 DOMs, so there is a diagram which represents the cost for 10 DOMs. For any DOM, the estimated repair, that is the cost, is an integer, alright, a complete integer. Repairs with estimated cost rupees 1 or 2 crores are considered light repairs, alright. Repairs with estimated cost rupees 3 or 4 crores are considered moderate repairs, and repairs with estimated cost rupees 5 or 6 crores are considered extensive repairs. So basically there are three types of repairs: light repair, moderate repair and extensive repair, and they have given a distribution of what is the costing for each type of repair, right? Further, the following are known. Odd numbered DOMs do not need light repair, alright. Even numbered DOMs do not need moderate repair, and DOMs whose numbers are divisible by 3 do not need extensive repair, alright. A very important point, we'll keep this in mind. DOMs 4 to 9 are all different repairs, need all different repair costs. What it means is basically 4 will have a different cost, 5 will have a different cost, 6 will have a different cost, alright. No cost from 4 to 9 DOM will be same, and so on, right? With DOM 7 needing the highest, that is the maximum, and DOM 8 needing the minimum, alright. So DOM 7 has got the maximum cost required, and DOM 8 needs the most minimum, alright. So let's move on to the next slide and see what the diagram they have given us. So basically this is the diagram that was given, which is the number of DOM is represented on the y-axis, on the x-axis they have represented the estimated cost repair, alright. So light repair, which is 1 and 2, alright. So there are two DOMs over here, right, with 1 crore. So there are two DOMs which incur a cost of 1 crore. This is what it basically means. There is one DOM which incurs a cost of 2 crores, right? There are three DOMs which incur a cost of 3 crores, right? There are one DOM who incur a cost of 4 crores, right? Again one DOM who incur a cost of 5 crores, and there are two DOMs who incur a cost of 6 crores. This is what this diagram basically means. A very simple diagram, easy to interpret, right? This was like a piece of cake given to you in the examination. So let's see how we can interpret data and find the exact value of each DOM, the cost that they have incurred. So I hope you have taken a screenshot of the slides that gave us the conditions. Alright, what we'll do is I'll try to create a table over here, and I'll try to read down the conditions again so that you also have awareness about what we are filling into the table step by step. Alright, so let us create the table. First is the number of DOMs, alright, number of DOMs, right. Second would be the cost, alright, this would be in crores, and the third would be the DOM number, alright, DOM number. So number of DOMs and DOM number is a different thing. I hope you understood that, alright. So now the table is ready and we can fill the values. So the number of DOMs can be taken from the graph. So let us first input the cost. So the cost was 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crores, 4 crores, 5 crores and 6 crores, alright. And the DOMs which costed 1 crore were 2, right. This we got from the graph that was there on the previous slide. And the DOMs which costed 2 crores were 1. Similarly, 3 crores costing DOMs were 3, 4 crores costing DOM were 1, and the DOMs which costed 5 crore was also 1, and the DOMs which costed 6 crore cost was 2, right. This was given. We need to find out this table. We need to find out the column of this table, alright. So let us start reading conditions again, alright. So the first condition was odd numbered DOMs do not need light repairs. What are light repairs? These were the light repairs, right. So they do not need Odd number DOMs are not present over here. Which were the odd number DOMs? So the odd number DOMs were 1, 3, 5 and 7. Similarly 1, 3, 5 and 7. So these are not present over here, right? So cross them out. Alright, so this will not come over here. This is what it means, right? Second point, even number DOMs do not need moderate repair. So these are moderate repairs, right? 3 crores and 4 crores. They do not have even number of DOMs. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And 10. Similarly 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So they do not have, right? So now we have done with two conditions, right? Point number 3, DOMs which are a multiple of 3 do not need extensive repair, right? So whatever DOM number which is a multiple of 3 do not need extensive repair. These are extensive repairs, right, which cost 5 crores and 6 crores. What a multiple of 3? 3, 6 and 9, right? Similarly 3, 6 and 9. So they are not present in 5 and 6 crore block, right? So this is cancelled over here, right? We are done with the first 3 primary conditions now, right? Now what they have given is DOM 4 to DOM 9 have different repair cost, right? DOM 4 to DOM 9 have different repair cost. So what we can understand from the primary condition is that, see, 3 cannot come over here, right? 3 cannot come over here, 3 cannot come over here, 3 cannot come over here, right? So basically, where should 3 come then? Alright, over here even 9 will be there, right? Even 9 is odd, correct? So 3 should basically come somewhere over here. So basically these are the basic interpretation that we can make. Alright, right now they are not required, but I'm just giving you an idea about how interpretation can be made, right? So we'll move on with the pointers that were given. DOM 4 to DOM 9 require different repair costs. That is, there are 6 DOMs between 4 to 9, DOM 4 number to DOM 9 number, and they all have different repair costs. Alright, we'll keep this in mind. DOM 7 has the highest cost, maximum cost, right? So what was the maximum cost? The maximum cost was 6 crores. So basically I'll change the ink to put down over here. DOM number 7 will come over here, right? Now only one DOM is left over here, correct? Because one DOM, 7 number DOM has come over here. Only one DOM is left, right? Now it was also given DOM 8 had the most minimum cost, right? The most minimum cost is 1 crore, right, over here. So DOM number 8 comes over here, and again over here only one DOM is left now. Alright, besides over here only one more DOM will come, correct? So these are the basic things that we have discussed till now. Now we have placed DOM 7 and DOM 8. Alright, so if there are, this is the DOM number, DOM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? We have placed 7 and we have placed 8. Alright, let's observe this DOM number 6. This cannot come over here, right? It cannot come over here, it cannot come over here, it cannot come over here. So it can come in this bracket or this bracket, right? But if you observe, 8 is already here, and they have said in one of the pointers that DOM 4 to DOM 9 have all different values. Since DOM number 8 has 1 crore cost, DOM number 6 cannot have 1 crore cost. So automatically DOM number 6 has to come over here. This is the only place that it can come, and this is exhausted, right? This is exhausted. So DOM number 6 is also placed. Now observe DOM number 4, right? 4 cannot come over here, 4 cannot come over here, right? And it cannot come over here, cannot come over here, it cannot come over here. Why? Because 4 to 9 have all different values. 7, 6 and 8 are placed over here, right? So the only place DOM number 4 can be placed is over here in the bracket of 5 crores, right? Over here. So this is also completely exhausted, right? And you have placed DOM number 4 also successfully. Alright. Now if you observe 5 and 9, they cannot come over here, they cannot come over here, here and here. Here because they are odd, and here because 9 is already banned and already they are exhausted, right? So they cannot come. Because here 7 is there, so we cannot have DOM 4 to 9 which has the similar value, right? Because they all have different value. So DOM 5 to 9 can only come over here, right? So but we do not know which one, so we will write it DOM 5 comma DOM 9, DOM 5 comma DOM 9 over here, because there is no specific condition which is specifying, all right, that which DOM comes over here, right? So we have exhausted DOM 5 and DOM 9 also. Now if you observe DOM number 2 and DOM number 10, they cannot come over here because they are even, right? So they can only come, and they cannot come over here because this is exhausted and this is also exhausted. So the only place they can come is this or this, right? Again, no condition specific is given where they can be placed according to the conditions that are given. So we'll write it like this: 2/10 and 2/10 over here. Just keep it like that. All right, trust the process and keep it like that because the conditions are only giving you that much information, right? So cross out 10 and 2. All right, now we are left with 1 and 3. Now the only place this two DOMs, that is 1 and 3, can come is over here because there are two slots still left over here, right? Because either 5 or 9 will come and there will be still two slots left, right? And then they will be exhausted. So over here 1 and 3, right? Now we have sorted out. This is the complete table that can be formed. All right, please note it down. So these are the values: 5 and 9. 5 or 9 comes over here, right? And here 2 or 10, 2 or 10, right? This is the final value of the table that we got from the conditions. Let us have a look at the questions now. Let us have a look at this question: which of the following is not necessarily true, right? So we have to find out a sentence which is not necessarily true. So when I saw this DOM 10, then only I started with this option. Why? Because we had seen that 2 or 10 was coming under the bracket of 1 crore, right? And there was 6 crores, right? So either or this was there, right? It was either coming over here or either coming over here, right? So that means DOM 10 will cost no more than 4 crores cannot be necessarily said. It is tentative, right? It is not sure right now. So this is your correct option. Next question: what is the total cost of repairing the odd numbered DOMs in crores? Alright, so what were the odd numbered DOMs? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Alright, so DOM number 1 and 3 were present in the 3 crore bracket. So 3 crores over here, 3 crore over here, right? 5 and 9 were or to 3 crore and 4 crore, right? So what we'll do is arbitrarily assign 3 crore over here or 4 crore over here. It will mean the same, right? You place it over here or there, addition will be same. And DOM number 7, it was in the 6 crore bracket, right? Adding it up, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Hence 19 crore is your correct answer. So just input 19 into the theta box. That will be your correct answer. So let's have a look at the next question. 4 out of the 10 DOMs needing repair are women DOMs. So these are new conditions that I introduced and need a total cost of 20 crore for repair. Only one DOM out of 1 to 5 is a women DOM. What is the cost of repairing the DOM 9, right? So try to understand. Only one DOM from 1 to 5 is women's DOM, right? There are total 4. So basically between 6 to 10 there will be 3 women's DOM. Now try to understand, the total cost is 20 crores, which is a very high number, right? Which is a very high number, it's not low. If even one DOM is 1 crore, rest 3 DOMs will have to be of 19 crores. But is it possible? Because the highest that a DOM can have is 6 crores. Even if you have all 3 DOMs to be 6 crores, you'll still end up with 18 crores and not fulfill this 20 crore condition. So the minimum cannot be 1 crore. Let's check 2 crore. Is it possible? Now, if one DOM is also 2 crore, yeah, the other 3 DOMs need to be 18 crores, right? That is, all 3 DOMs need to be of 6 crores. But here you can see the DOM which costs 6 crores are only 2 places, right? It can be 7 and either 2 or 10. So there can be only 2 DOMs which cost 6 crores. So even this is not possible. So the minimum value of cost that a DOM can take for women can be 3 crores. This is the basic level inference that I have taken over here. So if this is 1 DOM, other should definitely be 5, 6, 6. This will together add up to 20 crores, right? But we definitely know 1 or 2 crore cannot come. So let's build up on this now, right? This is DOM number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Correct? So these are the DOM numbers written in black, and in blue I've written the amount, the cost that they have incurred individually, whichever we know for a fact. So out of this we can eliminate 8 because it has 1 crore, because 1 crore cannot come. We can eliminate 2 crores wala, right? So we know for a fact from 6 to 10 there are 3 DOMs that are there of women. So basically this should be all women DOMs because 2, 6 and 8 are eliminated, right? Now this 10th number dorm, right? This 10th number dorm either belongs to 1 crore or 2 or 6 crores, right? Over here, correct? But it cannot be 1 crore, right? So this 10 number dorm should definitely be 6 crores, right? So this 10 number dorm should definitely be 6 crores. Hence 2 comes to 1 crore, right? Since 2 comes to 1 crore, this is also eliminated. Now, since this 7 is 6 and this 10 is also 6 and we require this both 6 and 6. So 12 are occupied now, 8 crores are left. So the remaining 2 dorms should be accounted for 8 crores and 9 should be one of them, right? So now if we consider the cost of 9 to be 4, now we are left with 4 because 6 and 6 is taken, right? And we have assumed 4 for 9. So this is a total of 16 crores and more 4 crores is left, but that is not possible because only one dorm has 4 crores, right? Not 2 dorms. So 9 cannot be 4, right? So 9 has to be 3, correct? So 9 comes over here and 4 crore is allotted to 5, right? So 9 is 3, correct? So now 3 crores have come, 6 crore, 6 crore, 12, and now 3 is 15 crores. You are left with 5 crores. Who has 5 crores? Block number 4, right? So this block number 4 is also women's block, right? I hope you have understood this. So what was the question? The question was, what is the costing of dorm number 9 repairing cost? So the dorm number 9 costed 3 crores. All right, this was a theta question. Next question is very easy because we have built up on all the data in the previous slide. Which of the following is a women's dorm? So we know that dorm number 10, which costed 6 crores, was women's dorm, right? So that's it in this video of DI class. Please visit us at gkmojo.com. Thank you.